Shit fuck. Holy shit fuck. It's been fucking forever. Oh my god. Hello everyone who came to this more chill stream. Oh hello Numinations. How you doing? How you doing? Now we're doing a more technical stream. We're gonna do a little bit of planning. It might just turn into talkies, who knows what. But yeah, I did a lot of prep work before this stream and like as you can see, I'm gonna show you what I've been doing here. I made this. You probably saw on the announcements tab that I now have my own, very own custom. How do you say? Ugh, get this fucking thing out of the way. This is gonna be interesting. The reason I don't do coding streams is because it's really stream is super laggy. What? Fuck. Is it really laggy? Fuck. Hold on. Should be fine at the moment. Um. Hmm. Let me check a few things here. I don't know why it would be super laggy. Um, Hello, Ryan Bob Productions. What in the name of Fox are you doing? I am attempting to make my own super chat system, um, and trying to debug why I don't know. Tracking FPS seems to be fine. Let's see here. But yeah. Um, First we're gonna have to plan the app, right? So it's gonna be a little bit of planning here. I'm just gonna do a little bit of planning here. But yeah, I just want to show off. I got my new personal. Hold on, what is it? I need music. I need music. Fuck, I need my fucking music. Where's my fucking music? Where's my fucking music? Roll my own auth. I don't give a shit. There we go. That works. That works. Too many codes open, perhaps? No. We're sitting at like at 10 FP. I mean, we're sitting at like 10 FPS or something. Hold on, let me. That's really. There we go. I don't think so. I could shut down maybe, and that might help a little bit. I don't think so though. I don't think that would help honestly. Let's see, quit Discord. Maybe it's just unlucky. Let's see. I'm not sure on this one. Um, oh, that's interesting. There we go. That might. I think I see the problem here. I don't know what's going on here. Brr, I think Fugitech's trying to do something here. Let me get rid of Fugitech. Is that? Wow. Lots of problems today. Probably it's only lagging on Twitch for you. Probably an internet issue. Yeah, maybe so. Let's see, there's that one. Nope. Is it this one? Nope. Is it this one? Nope. Where's Fugitech? Where is it? Where's that fucking? Ugh. Hate it. Is that it? No. Is it this one? Yes, it's that one. It's that one. Okay. Got rid of that annoying ass. What even was that? Holy crap. I'm just gonna move that out of the way or something. That's annoying. Yeah, I'm just gonna move that out of the way. Chat 4 days ago. Nice. That's awesome. That's awesome. I'll probably never get a super chat for a long time. I'm a very small streamer, and I don't know. I feel like I haven't been streaming a lot long enough, and I haven't just you know, euro $1 still good. Yeah, I've gotten actually more donations from my Ko-Fi link than I've ever gotten from a super chat, so but here's the thing. You can have a super chat, but like if you don't control it, then what's the point, Like the problem is, see, we have all these platforms, right, that we're streaming to, right? We have YouTube, we have Twitch, we have what else? We have Kick, right? And you probably can't see very well because of this silly little terminal, right? So let me just take that. But we have 3 platforms, right? So it's like, what if someone wants to like do a super chat, but they can't do it, on a certain platform because they haven't built the functionality for it yet, Well, that's where I come in. Mm. That's the issue that I've been trying to solve for quite some time. Nah, it's quite laggy for you too? Fuck, really? Come on. No. I don't know how to fix that. Let's see, we're sitting at 2,700. YouTube says it's okay. Like, I'm not sure exactly what to, yeah, fix with that one. Let's see here. Yeah, YouTube says it's okay. Maybe it is internet connection. Could be an internet connection on your guys' end. So yeah. So yeah, that's the idea. So first we have to plan out the app, right? So the plan is I'm gonna just kind of go and step through my thinking here and just kind of show you how my thought process goes for creating a new app. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do here. But before I do that, I want to show you something cool. It is kind of a programmery thing. But yeah, we have our very own GitHub. It's called Gitia or Git by some people, right? So yeah, I've got like let me show you here. We can do everything important that Git does. We can have private repos and whatnot. You can what else? Let's see. Yeah, you can post issues here, and I can just like drop the link if you want. If you want to visit that, you can just, it's git.vfpmedia.com. So like you can totally like just, if you have your own code and you just want to like, use my website for whatever reason to store your own code, you can totally use it for that reason. And I'll be the one in control of it, of course, but if you trust me more than GitHub. So yeah. But yeah, let me just I'm gonna go ahead and post that here. Stream keeps crashing for you. Wait, what? How is the stream crashing? Like what? Hold on. I'm gonna pull out my phone and watch this on my phone, man. Alright. Okay, here we go. I'm back. So yeah, it works on mobile. Let's go to, let's check something here. Let's go to, how do I get to my, I'm on stream. Wait, I can just go to Discord and I can find it. It's a little laggy. That's a little bit. It's my model, I think. I don't know. Maybe I need to like dust off my GPU or something. I have a pretty underpowered GPU, to be honest. So yeah. Let's see here. Oh, I have 2 messages on my Discord. Who is messaging me at this moment? But yeah. I was very tired when I started this. I wasn't sure if I was ever gonna get started streaming, but yeah, it's been a really busy week. It's like I've been like, work has been just like, oh my god, we can't have our affiliates and whatnot, and nothing is working on mobile and everything's broken, blah 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 blah, and it's your fault, I guess. Some of it's my fault, some of it's just like the code base that was already in there, to be honest. Let's see here. Okay, that's gonna be on live, and then I should be able to just look at my own stream for my phone. Another thing that might be the case is let me check here. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, it looks fine on my phone. You want to hear my I can hear my voice. Yeah, it looks fine on my phone. It's crazy. Yeah, I think my GPU is just underpowered and I need to buy a new GPU, but tires come first and paying off the government, of course. So oh, shut up. Okay. Yeah. Feels good to be back. And just doing something a little bit different, I'll discuss, VTuber stuff a little bit later, but yeah, my own repository. So what we're gonna do here, before we do any sort of thing, I'm gonna open up Krita, right? We're gonna open up Krita before we do anything. So I'm gonna hook up Krita, and I'm going to describe my thinking on how I'm going to even accomplish this, right? How am I even going to accomplish a super chat? That is a great question. I don't even know the answer to that myself at the moment. So we're going to discover, probably together, how to do this. Now if I can just find Krita. All right. Wow, that's fucking huge. All right. That's a bit better. Let's see, do I have my pen? Good. My pen right here. I'm gonna do a new file. I'll just, I don't need anything that big. Give me something. I think it's because I'm using Krita. That's probably why it's lagging a bit. If we're being real here. Let's just do something simple, like, I don't know, 1000 by, I don't know, 1000. Okay. So here's my thinking. We have our stream, right? I'm just a streamer. So here's the thing. We have a bot. We have this thing called Botrix, right? The reason you're all able to talk to me right now is because of Botrix. Now Botrix is very capable of taking commands from you guys from anywhere. All Botrix has to do is join the channel and whatnot. So like Botrix is everywhere. It is what we're going to plan this on. So we're going to use Botrix. So we have, what do we have? YouTube, and then we have we have Twitch, right? We have Twitch, and then we have we also have, I'm just gonna put Kick right here. Then I'm gonna make that purple. I'm gonna make this purple. Okay. We have Twitch here, right? Then we have Botrix. Botrix connects between all three of these, and it receives messages from all you guys. It receives messages. So yeah, it receives messages. The idea is it'll take a command, right? So we take a command, say something like SuperChat, right? And then maybe you'll get like 3 free super chats or something before I start like charging money for it. So like, you know, so it gives super chat right here, right? That's a command you can use, right? And then it'll have like a couple arguments. It'll have an amount, or it'll be like super chat and then like message, right? There'll be your message here. It could be like, fuck you, Melee Man, I hate you, you're fucking stupid, you know, go do something else with your fucking life, right? So, and it'll have an optional argument, right? Or money, and that will be a integer, and it'll be, yes, this could be error prone. So yeah, so it'd be like $1 or something like that. And you'd have to like separate this with the space or something, and somehow it would need to like determine the message and the chat. So there'd have to be some sort of delimiter that's pretty universal and easy to understand for like phone users or something. Right. Chat super, you think it should be chat super? Right. Chat super. Okay, actually, let me just read for a second. Let's see what you guys are up to. Let me check something. Chat super. All right. I guess that's just, yeah. I think for some reason, the reason it's laggy for like some people is because some of these people are across the ocean, you know. So, yeah. All right. So we could do like message and then dollar or something, or dollar amount or something like that, you know. And that would be a way to do it with Botrix. Or otherwise, maybe we could do, maybe it'd be easier just to type in a message, and then it would take you to a page or something where you could like pay for it. Although that'd be kind of annoying, right? If you had to like go to like a page, and yeah, it'd be fucking annoying, honestly. It'd be easier if you could just type it in, and then it would just check to see, oh, or something like you want this amount or something like that, and it'll like give you a confirmation or something. I don't know. Maybe that's not right though, because like whenever we're dealing with text, it gets a little error prone. It gets a little error prone, you know, because when we're dealing with text, right? But yeah, yeah. I think maybe it is okay to just go to another site, you know, and do it like that, because if we're trying to integrate it into all three websites, it's going to be very difficult, right? So we say super chat, and then the bot will just service will just record however much you need, and then maybe you'll have to do like a sign on, and you can just sign on with like Google or something like that. Like if it's your first time super chatting, you'll just have to sign on with Google or something like that, you know. And the bot will, if it's your first time, yeah, that's right. Okay, so yeah, so we should write this down how it should work, right? Maybe that's how it should work, right? So we don't really worry about message. We just want to super chat the message, right? And then maybe it'd be better if it was like connected to Discord or something like that. So like if the user is on Discord, then it'll be like able to like give them something or something like that. So we have Botrix right here, right? And then we have, hold on, let me take a drink. Yeah, so we have Botrix right here, okay. And then maybe we have like a Discord integration or something like that. And then yeah, that'd be interesting. Oh my god, I'm gonna laugh if this actually goes nowhere, but you know, whatever. Yeah, I think if you just started with like a message or something, and it like 3 times, and then after the third time, then it'll ask you to like log in or something, you know, because you'll get like 3 free super chats or something like that. And then yeah, and then so we'll just say 3 free supers. Then all right, 3 free supers, and then it'll send you like a link or something. And it's really hard. I don't know. I just don't want it to like blow up, like if chat goes really fast, you know, I don't want it to like blow up or something like that. It should like because like if chat goes fast, right, then it's like you can't click on it or you can't tap on it, right? That'd be stupid. So like maybe you could do like a log on with Discord kind of thing. Yeah, log on with Discord kind of thing or something like that. I feel like the only way this works is if we have a Discord integration, because if the chat goes fast, right, and you go through your 3 supers and the chat goes really fast, you're unable to click it. So like you have to have like some sort of like a Discord thing or something like that, or some other integration where chat isn't going fast, where you can be like messaged in private, you know, so it doesn't so the bot doesn't like spam the fucking chat, right? But it also like, you know, the user gets the information they need in order to send a super chat, right? And the super chat, I feel like, should appear like maybe on like the right hand side on my screen, like so it'll like show up right here or something like that, and it'll be like a little thing I can just click through, and it'll be like a little a widget that I can use to like view all of your super chats, you know, and dollar amounts and all that goodness. So yeah, in order to do this, we're gonna have to have some sort of Discord, most likely Discord integration. So this is going to require, the good thing is Botrix has a Discord integration, so we'll just kind of fire this off through Discord, I think. Discord, right? And then any user who is not if, and then we'll say if not joined in Discord, if not in Discord, then shill my Discord. Yeah, shill Discord, right? My handwriting's terrible, I know. We shill the Discord, if not in Discord, but if so, if in Discord, right? So if we're in the Discord, if in Discord, then we go ahead and let's say we go ahead and send a link to send link to the SuperChat platform. Send link. Okay, I gotta move this out of the way for a second. Send link to SuperChat platform. Which we'll have to code from scratch, of course. So how it's going to look is it's going to be streaming services. It's going to be like this. So it's going to go like Twitch, Kick, Botrix, SuperChat command, right? And then it's going to go 3 fee supers to Discord. And then we're going to go to Discord. It'll message you in Discord, right? If you're not in Discord, it'll shill the Discord with a message that says, hey, if you want to send more super chats, you know, it'll if you want to send more super chats, then yeah, join the Discord, you know, and it'll record your name and whatnot, and you'll have to like have an identifier that you've I've used, I guess. So like it'll have to be like, let me check Discord for a second. What I want to know is like, people can change their names on Discord, right? And I have like so many name changers in my Discord is the thing. So let's go here. Let me check something here for a second. There it goes. It's fucking loading. Lol. Oh, it's Venison Bunny. I wonder what Venison Bunny's up to. I want to make it. I can't read that on stream. Holy shit. Oh my god, I can't read that on stream. But yeah. So like, it'll go to the Discord, right? And I'm looking at my Discord at the moment. I don't have a window for it, unfortunately. But like, let's say, let's see here. Let's go to Topo, right? Topo, let's see, streamer mode is enabled. Please disable that. I don't care. So like, let's see, Topo 403, and then let's see what we have, and then Tac Tiger and Tac Tiger add note. Let's see what my real name is. See if I go on mine. That's right. So it'll probably just have to record the name that they can't change, or their identifier or something like that, or user ID. User ID is probably what I'll have to use, or something like that. So I'll probably have to find a user ID or some sort in order to identify the person and associate that user ID with the chatter user ID on the thing. So that's going to be something that will need to be taken into account. So yeah, hello Luna Moon Official. We're designing a new app. So yeah, it looks pretty crazy at the moment, and my handwriting is super fucking big and sloppy. Yeah, how you doing, Luna? It's great to see you. Great to see you. How you been? I've been fucking busy, but yeah. Send link to your super chat platform in pain. Oh, well, dang. I hope it's not terrible. I hope it passes fast, and I hope you do well. Interesting thumbnail. Yeah, honestly, I'm not sure why it did that. I had a thumbnail. I swear to God, I had a thumbnail, honestly, and it just went to like my fucking it just went to my channel header, which is weird. I don't know why it did that, honestly. I had like something cooler, to be honest, but hey, I guess it works. I guess it works. It looks technical enough. So yeah, we'll send a link to SuperChat platform. We need to ID Discord users. ID Discord users and associate And also it needs to be removed. What needs to be? Also, it needs to be removed. Wait, what? Hold on a second. Let's see here. Is that? Oh, here it is. Oh shit! Oh, wisdom tooth! Oh my god, I hate that. I hate that shit. Oh my fuck. Also needs to be removed surgically. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, that's the worst. I'm very fortunate. I've never had to have my bottom wisdom teeth taken out, although my luck may be running out very soon. I am paranoid about my teeth now. I've had to pay like thousands of dollars just to have a full set of teeth. I don't even have a full set of teeth. Like, I probably need to get like fucking at some point I'm gonna have to get like implants and whatnot. And I pray that I drank enough vitamin D that I'll have enough bone to like attach there. My favorite Payday 2 heister, because I've been playing. Favorite Payday 2 heister because I've been playing it recently. Oh shit. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Nice. I do want to try that at some point. Redneck femboy faction. Oh yeah, I'm learning how to make soap. I got a whole bunch of supplies to make soap. I might just sell you guys some soap later. You know, just coming with interesting ways to make money off this channel, but and also have fun, you know. I think I do want to do more technical streams because I feel like I can't just keep doing this brain rot shit, you know. It makes me paranoid. I feel like I get stupider each time I do it. And I want to do something that's actually challenging, you know. Gamer soap. That's right, gamer soap, because you know you don't need to be putting stupid chemicals on yourself, and I want to make it like super cheap and easy to make too. You know, the only problem with like the cold process of soap is that it's like it takes a fucking long time, you know, and I hate the cold process. So I want to do a hot process, and then I'm just gonna like use like high heat and whatnot and just melt it into molds or something like that. It'll be like, I don't know, maybe we'll have like custom molds like a cock or something, I don't know. Like a nice big femboy cock that you can just rub all yourself, or like some fox nuts or something. That would be hilarious. That'd be hilarious. You want to rub some fox nuts and get yourself clean? You know, I'm still coming up with the marketing material, right? So like, all natural soap, none of the stupid additives that cause you, you know, hormonal imbalances. That way, you know, the less hormonal imbalances you put on your head, you know, right? Well, hey, I mean, it's better to rub, you know, natural soap, ball soap, shaped soap on yourself, so you don't have to rub cow testicles on yourself later in life, just so you can get an erection. You know, like fuck, you know, fucking microplastics and shit, you know, getting in your bloodstream and just fucking everything up, you know, can't have that, and all those forever chemicals and soaps and whatnot. You know, there's microplastics in soap even, you know, you can get that in your mouth and your eyes, you can breathe that shit in, you know, it goes into your bloodstream, you know, they've shown that it like, you know, like gets inside your veins and whatnot, especially if you've like fucked up veins, like if you smoke or something, or if you drink a lot, you know, the microplastics get caught in there and they accumulate over time. And like it's been shown, like people who have heart attacks, like microplastics have been found inside the plaques of their arteries. You know, it's not good. So yeah. And like, and soap should be simple. It should be simple, it should be good, and it should smell good, you know. It shouldn't have to be expensive. It shouldn't have to be, you know, have all this crazy chemical bullshit in it, you know. And we shouldn't have to rub, you know, stuff that disrupts our hormones just so we can feel clean and nice and not smell like shit, you know. So, you know, and I found a pretty good formula that's really, you know, well and scientific, and I'm gonna try it out here in the next, you know, few months or something. It's gonna take a couple months to get here, so, you know, yeah, still one of my like, weird side projects. So, right. Let's see. So yeah, back to the thing. We're sending a link to the SuperChat platform, right? We send a link. If you follow this right now, we're sending a command via BotRix, which has the goal here, right, is to make sure everyone can send a super chat no matter what platform they're on, right? So yeah, and also do it in a way that isn't stupid. Right? So we've already established that if we try to, send a link to someone within the chat, it's not going to work out. As like, say chat's going by like fucking fast, right? It's going by super fast. You don't have time enough to click on it. So the idea is we send them to join Discord, right? And then they join the Discord, and then they get these little alerts, and then I can shill further from here, right? So I can shill further from here. Once they join the Discord, I can associate their username and platform with the Discord user, right? And then if I do that correctly, then I can help them create an account on my website, on the new website, which will keep track of it's a whole system. There's a whole fucking system that we're building out here, so it's going to be interesting. It's going to be a bit complicated. So send super link chat on the platform privately to a Discord user, right? But we have to know their name, so we're going to use the ID, Discord ID for users, and associate plus chat name, right? Oh my god, that looks fucking asinine. So yeah, Discord users, so ID, I'm gonna make this a capital D so I know that's an ID. So ID Discord users plus chat name, right? Create account on website. Create account on website, right? And after they create the account on website, right? After they create the account on the website, then what's going to happen is they'll be able to, send money. And so there'll be a nice little thing so that each time they do a super chat, right? They'll, let's see. Yeah. They can just do a super chat through that website. I feel like that'd be the best way to do it. That'd be the best way to do it. So we'll have like anonymous super chats, and then after 3 times, you can probably try to game the system by having multiple accounts if you're really committed, and you just which is only better for me because that means I get more subs. So yeah, so I'd be perfectly fine if you want to try and game the system and get like more super chats. So yeah, that lasts for a long time. And then yeah. And I think what we'll do here is like one super chat will last like a certain amount of time, and I don't know what that amount of time will be, but yeah. And I think they'll get progressively less. Actually, no, let's just keep it simple. They'll all last like I don't know, 2 minutes at the most or something. Free version 2 minutes. Yeah. So yeah. And then it'll start sending you, hey, join the Discord. You seem really committed. You seem to really want my attention. So like it makes sense. And then you join the Discord, right? You join the Discord. And then after you join the Discord, you try to, maybe we'll get join the super chat or sign up for the super chat in the just Discord join. If we do get something like that from Botrix, if we get something from Botrix, I'm not going to worry about that. Maybe I'll just like put that in the Discord. So I'll just shill it that way. I'll shill the platform that way every time someone joins. So yeah, we'll shill the platform every time someone joins. Okay. And the platform being my custom website. So yeah, create the account on a website. We can do that using their details. And also we'll probably need we can do that with I think I'm going to use like either like Discord to like verify and like a Google account or something like that. And I think that would be the way to do it. So like we use for auth. Okay. I need a new one. I need more space. Fuck. This is insane. Okay. I'm going to save this and I just canceled. Oh my god. All right. I'm gonna shrink the. I have an idea. I'm gonna make a new layer, right? I'm gonna take this, right? Do this. I'm gonna do this, and then, and then I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do this. Okay, cool. I know, right? And my soap would be gay. All right. So now we're on our next layer. So, oh wow, that's fucking large. So, after that, after they create an account on the website's going to need to do the things. So the website, right? SuperChat website, it needs to do two things. It needs to show your SuperChat. Show your SuperChat, right? It needs to show your SuperChat. Show your SuperChat. Show your SuperChat, you know. Right? So like, we'll just draw a pretty little picture right here of me, you know. I'll just draw myself as a, you know, little nice little furry. Boom, boom. And then we're playing some sort of game or something like that. And I don't know, maybe like boom, of Call of Booty or some shit. I don't know. Like Call of Booty, Black Cox 2 or something like that. You know, see, here's all the regular Botrix chats above you. Here, there, look, there's you guys, right? Now here is the super chat. And it'll just be like a little thing right here. And it'll be like something I can just like click through, something like YouTube. So like we'll have like a little list up here, super chats, and we'll be able to scroll from left to right, you know, so we'll be able to scroll from left to right, and it'll be like, it'll have your name up there and the amount. So like name and amount, and then it'll be like, boom, look at that shit. It'll be like, yeah, it'll be like that, you know? And how this will work is that this will be a browser thing. So like, this will just be like a browser, a browser add-on, right? And this will be interesting because this will require a messaging service, right? So this will require a messaging service. And how do I know this? Because I've made a messaging service before, and it's currently not working because I forgot to update it. So yeah, but yeah. So I think what we'll do here is I think we'll just use, we'll go ahead and use Redis, right, for messages and whatnot. So what's going to happen is, so show your super chat, and this will be a browser add-on, right? And yeah. So yeah, and it will. I'm just. Oh wait, I should color this. Yeah, I should color it. Okay. So it's a nice bright blue, right? So you get a nice bright blue, and it'll just look so super pretty. It'll look super duper pretty, you know. It'll look super duper pretty. And yeah. And then I'll just be able to like, I'll be able to scroll through these and click through, and then I'll just show them right there on screen, you know. I can just show them whenever, you know. It'll be great. I'll be able to read them. And also I think this will also allow for like TTS. This website should also allow for TTS and other functions as well. So yeah. So here we go here, and then let's see here. So show your super chat. It'll show your super chat, right? Okay, cool. So then what else it needs? It needs to have admins. We need to have, oh shit, still blue. On the user side, it needs to then we need auth, of course. We need auth. We need admin functions. And we're going to need a notification service, right? So like, if you send a super chat, right, the website needs to, you know, send a notification service. And I think we can do this a couple of ways, right? I think the best way would be to use it via WebSockets. There's a few ways to do this. In fact, we could use a messaging service. RabbitMQ is a pretty common messaging service. So yeah, we could try using RabbitMQ. You know, let me just go on the internet and I'll show you RabbitMQ. Let's see. Let me just let's do some research here, right? So yeah. Actually, no. Let's draw out what this will look like, because yeah, if we use Redis, Redis can also be used as a messaging service. It can take your SuperChat and I can put it into a JSON string. So like auth admin functions. So we'll obviously I'll need to have an admin panel to manage it. All your SuperChats and data. We're going to need something. We're going to need an SQL database of sorts. Although, to be honest, I think Mongo would be easier, to be honest. But the problem with that is Mongo can easily not scale. So I think I want to use SQLite for now. I think SQLite is great on read. It sucks on write. So yeah, and it is subject to getting locked is another thing. So like it can only write and get locked once. So that might be a problem. But I do not perceive that to be a thing unless there's a lot of users signing up at once, which could potentially be a problem. So that we could get write locks that way. So might not be a great idea to use SQLite in the situation, right? So like, say you're a famous streamer, you're a famous streamer, right? And all of a sudden you just release this, you finally integrate this into your multi-streaming setup, right? And then you get thousands of people swarming to your on your poor SQLite database, which write locks for every user, and people will get like write locked. You'll be able to like DOS it so easy. So yeah. So yeah, we'll just do authentication. Try to do, yeah, we'll do like a 0auth or something like that. Okay. 0auth. Right. 0auth. Okay. So yes, so that's right. We gotta make sure we're doing 0auth. So we'll probably use something like Postgres, honestly. Postgres is probably good. In fact, for a whole backend, you could probably do this in Supabase, right? So like we could use this in Supabase and Prisma, which would make development of this very easy and fast, I feel like. So yeah, try, so we have a few options. So DB selection is Postgres, right? So I'm going to use this as the symbol for a database. We're going to need Postgres. We're going to need a messaging service. So we're going to need Redis to cache. And the reason we need Redis is to basically cache and get a fast memory retrieval. In fact, what I can do here is what I can do with Redis, and I've done this before with a chat service. What I can do is that you can post your super chat in the thing. It'll post to Redis, right? Or I'll just use a single Redis object for a streaming session, right? And then once stream is over, or I can just like delete the object or something like that, or you know, or once an object gets over a certain amount in memory in its Redis cache, I'll just obliterate it and then create a new one. So yeah, we can definitely do that, and we can add checks for that. So what will happen is a user, right, will go ahead and they'll log in, right? They'll be like, send a super chat, and then they'll be able to type in their message and they'll send a dollar amount, right? They'll, you know, obviously we'll use Stripe or something similar to take their, you know, their credit card information, right? And Stripe will handle that. And then it'll send, once that is done, it'll push that to the Redis stack, right? We'll use Redis, it'll push that to the Redis stack. And then somehow we're gonna have to notify. We have to send a notification or something like that. And so, that's interesting. That's interesting. How do I get around this problem? Because like, yes, when the Redis has changed, how do I? Yeah. Let's look up message brokers and see how that works. Let's go ahead and take a look at message brokers and see how that works. All right. Gotta find my fucking, what's it called? Is that it? I forget. Browser, coffee overlay, overlay one, terminal, terminal. See if it's remote guitar. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? I have my browser here somewhere. Is that it? No, that's not it. Let's try. Was it this one? Nope. Was it? Oh wait. Oh wait. I know it is. Boom. Nope. Okay. Boom. There we go. Okay. Cool. Obviously, my audience isn't technical, and I know this. So yeah, my audience definitely isn't technical, so I know this. Let's go take a look at some message brokers. Message broker pattern. So yeah, that translates a message from a formal messaging protocol to the sender of a formal messaging protocol at the receiver. So another thing we could do is we could try a webhook or something, but that's a little bit complicated. What I want to happen all on this platform, to be honest, that would be better. Let's see. Redis to send messages. Redis message broker. We could do like, pub sub pattern is probably what we need to do. We need to do a pub sub pattern is probably what we need. See, communication between services must be reliable. When a service wants to communicate with another service, it can't always do it so immediately. Failures happen and independent deployments might make a service unavailable for long periods of time. For apps at scale, it's not a matter of if or when a service becomes unavailable, it's how often. Oh my god. That's terrible. To mitigate this problem, the best practice is to limit the amount of synchronous communication between services, i.e. directly calling these service APIs, for example, by sending an HTTP request instead of prefer assisted channels whenever practical, so that the services can consume messages at their convenience. Two main paradigms of this type of asynchronous communication are event streams or message queues, right? So yeah. So we would have to create a message queue, I think. So yeah, that would be interesting. I guess what would happen is, so this is what would happen. We'd start a stream, actually. We could probably just record all, we could record, oh geez, did my music go away? What the fuck? Come on, play that music again. Thank you. All right, message queues are based on mutable lists and are sometimes consumed through tools that implement common patterns. There are two differences between message queues and event streams. Message queues use a push type of communication. A service pushes a new message to another service's inbox whenever something new needs attention. Streams operate the opposite way, right? Kind of like I'm streaming now, and you get a buffer of all this data, right, that I'm sending over the wire. So likewise, I would want to do something similar and stream that to you. So messages contain immutable states, a number of retries, and when successfully processed, they are deleted from the system. System events are immutable, and the history, when trimmed, is often saved in cold storage. So yeah. So I guess how this would work is, let's go back to our example, right? So how this would work is we have your SuperChat. your super chat, right? It gets processed by Redis, stored by Redis, and we can either prepend or append that. And then it is immediately written to SQLite. Aha, yes, written. Oh, I can use SQLite for this. That's right, I can use SQLite for this. What am I saying? Written to SQLite, and then I'll also need a notification. Wait, no, maybe I don't need a notification. Maybe I just like continuously pull the database or something like that while I'm waiting or something. So like I just pull it every second or something like that. Or we can either do that, or we can yeah, we pull the database essentially. Actually that would suck, because like let's say Redis has like a backlog of like 1,000 super chats or something like that, and then a backlog of 1,000 super chats or something like that. I mean, Redis can handle like hundreds of thousands of messages, so it's not a huge deal. The only problem, the limiting factor, would be SQLite. So yeah, written to Postgres. Excuse me. I keep wanting to use SQLite because I really like its simplicity, and that's file based. Written to Postgres, right? So written to Postgres. Yeah. Yeah, it's written to Postgres, and then we consume that message in Postgres. Postgres is going to probably end up having like, oh god, probably going to be hundreds of records or something, maybe even thousands of records. I mean, some VTubers get like thousands of them, you know, or hundreds of super chats and whatnot. So it'd be hundreds of records, obviously. So yeah, and they would be organized by time or something like that. So we could like, I could keep like every, basically I could like store every message from you guys ever sent to me ever. So yeah, we could do that. So yeah. So yeah, Postgres, Redis, message gets sent to Redis, and then eventually it gets written to Postgres, and then I pull the Postgres database or something like that. I pull it, polling Postgres by making an HTTP request every, I don't know, every 3 seconds, I guess, and then it'll show me all your super chats at once, or something like that, you know. And then we can have like a I don't know, if it gets to the point where we get like a whole bunch of data, like hundreds of super chats at once, then there'll need to be a way to like only select like a few of them, you know. And then yeah, actually yeah, we should only be able to display like 100 of them at the most. At the most, 100 of them should be shown, I think, or 50 to 100, you know. Any more than that, and then we'd be like taxing the stream. So yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me get back up to our design here. So yeah, here's what I'm trying to say here. So super chat gets stored by Redis, right? Redis writes this to Postgres, and Postgres is ACID compliant. It can handle a lot. And it'll write that to the disk. This browser add-on will poll, right? It will poll it every second, or every 3 seconds. Every second probably is probably a realistic one way to do it. We'll poll every second, and then it'll display it up there. So yeah. Yeah, polls every second, and then yeah, I'll display it up there, your name, how much you paid, and the time, and whatnot. And and it'll be UTF-8 compliant. You'll be able to put in emojis, whatever you want, you know. So yeah, that's the basic idea. So yeah, so if we're doing a minimum viable product, remember, we do not want scope creep. Scope creep is bad. That means we start a project that nobody can complete, right? So we authenticate users. We have an admin panel to manage users and whatnot and their associations. And we can also ban users from SuperChat maybe in the future. We're not going to ban people, I don't think. We'll get around to it when we come to that. We'll get to that bridge when we come there, I guess. It'd be easier just to like ban people from there, but some people are committed and they'll ban evade and they'll have like multiple, users, and we can't really control that. So if it gets bad enough, I'll do it. So, or if I have another streamer that's using this, then we'll try that. But yeah, so your super chat stored by Redis, written to by Postgres. We poll every second, basically, and we get our super chats in the browser add-on for OBS. So yeah, and we'll have a nice little thing where I just I'll copy the widget or something and whatnot. It'll be perfect. It'll be perfect. So yeah. It'll just be like a little window. And let's see, users. We're also going to need Stripe integration. So yeah, your super chat stored by Redis, but basically this is all functional. That's how it's going to work. There's some extra steps in here. Obviously, we're going to need to integrate. Let me just get like Stripe. Let me get like Stripe or something. An icon of Stripe. Give me a second here. Wow, is it raining outside? Interesting. Okay. Stripe up a pipe, stripe pipe, stripe pipe, stripe pipe, pipe, pipe. Yeah, give me Stripe. Payment processor logo. Logo, damn you. Give me the logo. Right. All right, save. Okay, cool. So we'll save that. Oh, hello. Are leggings included in the super chat? That'd be cool to have like custom icons. No, that would be really cool if you could have like custom icons. Yeah, that would be really cool. I don't know how exactly you would do that, to be honest. Maybe what you could do or something is like, I wonder if I could make my own. I could try making my own font and then trying to do that, or I could just like have like an icon next to your name or something like that if you want. That'd be kind of cool. That'd be kind of cool, Be kind of cool. But yeah. So we'll just keep it simple, We want to have a minimum viable product because we want to avoid scope creep, right? So if we have scope creep, that means nothing will get done, and we won't have a functional product, or something that we can use to actually do super chats, right? So yeah, I was gonna go ahead and show between here. There's a lot of details, right? So we're gonna need authentication. You're gonna authenticate via Discord or YouTube, right, or something like that. And then after that, you're going to have to obviously take your credit card details and send them to Stripe. I won't have any control over that because that's a Stripe thing. Stripe does that for me, and I can just integrate that however I like, custom ways and whatnot. And like, there's like a function that can like save your details on desktop anyway. So, so yeah, a few other things to mention, but this is generally how it's supposed to work. And that would be pretty basic. And through this, not only can we do super chats, but we can also do like TTS if we want to eventually. I don't know how I'm going to do TTS just yet, but this is probably a very basic version of how this is going to work. So this is the basic of how this is going to work. I feel like it's time to maybe select the technologies. We already have a few ideas here. We're definitely thinking Postgres and Redis for like the data side of things. I think I want to use a backend in TypeScript. I know it's kind of cringe, but yeah, I don't like using TypeScript. But in this case, it's easy for me to get started. There's a lot for me to choose from, and there's a lot of integrations with it. The point of this is to get this done as quickly as possible and it's like a business thing, you want to be quick and use a language you're very familiar with. If you're doing something, that's of a significant design, and this is pretty fucking significant. First of all, what's gonna have to happen? None of this shit's gonna work right? None of the shit on the website is going to work unless we can get Botrix to send a message to Discord and then send it, or, and then like prompt users to join this or something like that. None of this is going to happen. And then also, not only does Botrix have to do this, not only does Botrix have to prompt users to go to this website to, do super chats, but also it also has to send super chats to this website on behalf of users that haven't signed up yet, right? So that's a whole other thing on its own, right? That's a whole other thing on its own. And that's something we'll have to look at later, right? So yeah. So this is how I design systems. I kind of do a little flow chart, After this, there's a lot more other details that will be associated. So we could try coming up with a technical document, which will document what kind of data we want to collect from users and what kind of, how we want to flow. This is basically how this will flow. So yeah. And yeah, technology selection, we're gonna go with basic technologies I'm familiar with. So I'm not gonna worry about that on the stream. I think, what else can we cover? It's almost 6. I want to go to bed. 30 minutes. What else can I cover during the planning stage? Yeah, let me take a drink. A drink and a think. All right. Yeah, I think that protein drink was exactly what I needed. Holy shit. My chest was hurting and I needed some protein. Hell yeah. All right. Let's see. I'm starting to get pretty tired as well. So the more tired you get, the worse outcomes it is. So I think what we should do first is we could start by working with Botrix, and we could start saying super chat, add the super chat message function, right? And then we have the website just save you by default. So like what Botrix is going to have to do, I don't know, and I don't know if I can do this with Botrix, is the thing. So like I don't know how much control I have with Botrix. So like it could be the case, right, that I cannot sort, which username has said this that many times, and I might not be able to do that without a premium account. So we're gonna have to do something. We're gonna have to look at the Botrix thing. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at Botrix, I guess. So yeah, none of this works without Botrix, essentially. So yeah. All right. So let's see here. Let's just go to chatbot right here, right? And let's see, link protection, commands, right? I haven't added any commands yet, so let's just go ahead and add a command. Let's just call this you can use variables in this command. Let's see. Yeah, that's true. Okay, that'd be cool. Oh, we can have cooldowns, 3 seconds. Yeah, 3 seconds is fine. Alias, price. Ooh, we have price. Oh, that's interesting. Maybe I don't have to. Interesting. But I think this price is used, it's like a custom currency type thing. So yeah. So I'm not going to use that. User, follower, subscriber, moderator, supermod. I feel like, I don't know. I'll just keep it at user, right? Right, we'll keep it at user. Message, super chat. I can use variables in the command. Let's take a look, see. Let's see, I just want, bet, create, edit, pre-built commands, variable. You must have a variable. I have a red car. I have a red car. Okay, yeah, message. Yeah, because then we want message. We want message. And then I feel like when users sign up, we should also keep like if it's a first time sign up, we should keep their message so they don't have to like, fucking type that shit again. That'd be so fucking annoying if you it's like super chat message, and then you're like, oh, I have to go here and then sign up for this thing and whatnot. You know, it'd be so dumb, you know, to do it like that. But yeah, yeah. So like, yeah, super chat message. Yeah, I think we'll just put it in variable. Places the text after the command. Okay, cool. Whatever. Places a second word after the command. Let's see, messenger 2 words after the command, blah 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 blah. Yeah, so like the reason we'll have like an argument, if there's no arguments, then it should return false or something like that. So like super chat message, right? Or like that, maybe. And the platform should be for all platforms we can do, and confirm. Let's see what else can we do here. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see. Commands. Wait, I thought I added a command. What the fuck? Can I not add a command? And this will be the interesting part, because if we can't do this, then we can't do it at all. Okay. Let's see. Oh, wait a second. Cancel. Let's do a test and call it asdiff. That's interesting. So like it hasn't added my commands or something, which is weird. I don't know why. How do I view these commands or something? Add your chat or something like that. That's interesting. Because like that should just work. Yeah, that should work. Like what the fuck? You know? What the fuck? Error, I know, right? That should just work. Yeah, so like, yeah, this won't happen unless Botrix can do it. Otherwise, I have to like figure out a way for ChihoBot to do it. So, and if ChihoBot can't do it, like, fucking like Twitch doesn't want to have any bots at all. I'll have to try another bot or something. Like maybe Stream Elements could do it or something like that. Maybe I think Stream Elements is capable of doing 2 of them. I'm not sure though. But if Botrix can't do it, then we'll have to try Stream Elements or something like that, or a bot that can. Because like otherwise, it's just not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Commands. Example. Command example. This is an example command. And does nothing. Okay. Okay, I see now. Okay, so in order for this to work... Okay. Are you trying to get free money? What? Free money? I mean, sort of. I mean, it'd be nice to get free money. I mean, I've gotten free money before. It's not much, but, you know, I work for my money, so... But if I can get free money, why not? Hello, Hyperdust. How you doing? It's good to see you, Hyperdust Sands. You know? I mean, I don't have the time to, like, sit down and, like, market my shit. I'm doing all sorts of things, man. I VTube, you know, I fucking program for companies, 2 different companies. I have to, like, I'm doing landscaping and shit, you know? And I have also other hobbies that I do, and I'm also, like, I'm a mess as a person. I'm a fucking generalist, you know. I just do whatever I think is cool at the time, whatever my autistic interests allow me to do, and whatever my money allows me to do at the time, you know. So I am a very spread out individual. I'm a very crazy busy and spread out individual. Holy fuck. All right, let's try this again. So we'll call this SuperChat. Send a SuperChat to your streamer. Cool. All right. And I'll confirm. Yeah. So yeah, there we go. Cost 0 points. Let's see. Let's go ahead and try it right now. In fact, let's see here. Maybe it should just return user. But like, hold on. Range user price 0. Use variables in this command. Let's see what happens when I do this. Let's see what happens. We're just gonna try this out. Let's see what happens. All right, let's go here. Let's go SuperChat. Nothing's happening. The fuck? Come on. Oh wait. No, I gotta do this. Hold on. I just realized. Okay, yeah. SuperChat. See what happens. Okay. Send a SuperChat to your streamer. Blah. Oh my god. Well, I guess that's what happens. It just takes some text. So what I can do, I think what I can do here. What can I do here with that? Send a SuperChat to your streamer. Okay. So I guess it takes that and it sends a message. But what I want to have happen is to like do something. Maybe. Oh, how about this? Maybe I do it on Discord or something. Let's try it on Discord. See, because I have bot rigs here, right? Okay. Let's say SuperChat. Let's see what happens when I do that. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Well, there's almost 6. What should I do? I feel like it's time. We're gonna have to mess a little bit more with this, bot things. We might have to select a different bot in order to get this to work. But I think I feel like, yeah, I think we have a good idea on how this is supposed to work. We just need to find the right bot platform or something where it joins all 3 of these, So yeah. Oh, right. I think that's pretty good. We gotta look at some programming memes or something. What do you guys say? We want to look at some programming memes? I want to look at some programming memes a little bit. I'm kind of bored. I'm definitely a little burnt out. So, but yeah. Probably have to read the bot rigs thing, and maybe there's like more options we can do or something, like send it to a webhook or something like that. If we have to use a webhook, then we'll use a motherfucking webhook, So if we have to use a webhook, how that will work is like we take your message, send it to a webhook, and we'll take that data and then we'll do something with it, and then I can have another bot just like fucking do something or something like that. I may be asking too much of bot rigs, so yeah. See what else is going on here. There's that, leaked recording. This is honestly true. Client, project manager, tester, developer. I am that person. I am this person. I am definitely this person. Holy shit. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I know who posted this. This was oh my gosh, it was the Argentinian dude. I like this guy. He's so cool. I really appreciate him for making this. He actually drew that. He actually drew this fucking shirt. Like, I can't believe he actually like drew this shirt, to be honest. Like, oh my god. I can just hold on. Yeah, he actually like drew my shirt and shit. So yeah. So yeah, I really appreciate him for that. He's a really cool dude. I hope he's doing all right. Freedom of speech. Yeah, lately I've been doing a lot more freedom of speech stuff. I like saying, I've been considering, actually coming up with a bot that records how many times people say racist things in my chat. And then like it'll like time them out or something automatically. I know I could like do this with like automated, but it's more funny, and like it should be like insult them, because like I don't want people to feel like they can't do it, say like terrible things in my chat, but I don't want them to do it too much, if you know what I mean. You know, like there should be a limit, just a little bit, you know, like you can't just type the N-word 10,000 times and just spam that. You know, or you can't say retarded like 10,000 times, you know, and just spam that. No, don't do that. It's not, doesn't offer any value, you know, and it's just like it gets old after a bit, you know, it gets old, you know. Let's see, you, the streamer. That's true. I would like to award you the highest honor I can bestow, reading out your comment. Yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah, this guy. I need to do a video on this guy. In fact, I should do that pretty soon, to be honest. But yeah. But yeah, build steps suck. If you ever, yeah. Why does all the good shit get like from a suspended account? Why do people have to do this and they just ruin it? You know, people just have to be angry about everything. It pisses me off so much. Gazelic is actually really cool. Like I really like. No. I changed my name so the FBI doesn't recognize me as the guy who hid a dead hooker in the dumpster. Oh my god. Welcome, Cynical Vinny. It's good to see you. welcome. I'm done doing like work stuff. I'm just getting tired and just kind of like I have the general idea of how I'm supposed to do this, and now I just need to execute it. And like I've already spent hours planning, so yeah. Welcome though. I'm just kind of pissed though that they just like people are so creative. People are literally using the pi symbol as the N. I love this shit. I mean, I like to watch Filthy Frank sometimes, but it's not very edgy, lol. Honestly true. Filthy Frank is edgy. He's like, he's just very explicit. You know, he's like, I like to like have sex with slits and shit. I'm not gay. Because like, please stop calling me gay and shit. Like, I think, what was that one song? It's like, please stop calling me gay. Please stop calling me gay. It's Pink Guy, I think, right? It's Pink Guy. Let's see. Keep having dreams in Dino Crisis 2, recently being chased by a T-Rex. What does this mean? You're running from your shadow self. That's what it means. You are running from your shadow self. You're running from your shadow self, and you need to confront it. At least that's what Freud might say. Did I even type that right? I don't know. But yeah. Oh my god, Hello Kitty! Yay! I love Hello Kitty. Back when I was, I should start a band. I should start a music thing. I'm gonna call it Hello Kitty Man or something like that. That'd be so cool. I should start a band and call it Hello Kitty Man or something like that. See, I had a dream where a Fudo woman was fighting bad guys with her snake. With her. Wait a second. What? Wait. What? You know, I had a dream where I was like fighting a black dog. You know, he was guarding the gates of hell or something like that, or this pit. It was more like an abyss, and like I was just kind of venturing over to that place, and I knew it was where I needed to go down there and confront myself, but there is definitely a lot of fear. Oh, who replied? What'd he say? You're running from your shadow self and you need to confront it. At least that's what Freud might say. Oh, yeah. It's another Twitch thought. Thought bot, you know? Fucking hate thought bots. Oh, what designers prioritize when what happens when designers prioritize aesthetics over usability? Oh my gosh. Original. Wait a second. New. What we see? Honestly, true. Yeah, like fuck, I hate this shit. Designers just need to like chill out for a second. I think they're scared of AI and that's why they're trying to try so hard. But it is kind of true. Some of those designers are getting replaced by AI, and it's a little scary for them, you know. Once a girl bites you, she has marked her territory. You are bound to her till death do you part. Not necessarily. It's when she gets bored of you. So, or just doesn't see a future with you anymore. It's like, it's not working out. You know, it's like, oh my God. Oh. Not to get political, but I think hamburgers and cheeseburgers work well with fries. That's political? What the fuck? You think that's political? No. Political is like, I think that, you know, like abortion or something like that should be, hello KM, how you doing? We're just chilling out. How you doing, KM? I am up in the morning and I am tired. I'm just scrolling through, you know, just chilling, you know. It's kind of like a talkie stream. But yeah. I didn't think it would turn into this, but yeah, we were doing some like design work obviously, so shut up, coffee stream. I already know how to do that. Maybe I should just integrate it with coffee stream. I don't want to mess with the bot right now. You think giant robots are cool? Yes, I do. I want a giant robot so bad. I want a giant robot so bad. But like, I'm doing good. I'm gonna have a long ass weekend. Saturday to Monday. Oh shit. I have having a long ass week, man. I had to like fucking like lift trees. Like I have to do like forestry cleanup. I'm trying to like clear the forest in my dad's backyard so we can have more deer. Because like my dad likes to hunt deer, so I figured it'd be great for him, you know, to have more deer on his property, you know. Eventually what's going to happen is he's going to kill one, right? And then I'm going to take the fat from the deer and I'm going to turn it into soap. So I don't have to I don't have to buy soap anymore and put those dirty chemicals all over my body and those ugly surfactants that mess with your hormones and just like, you know, is it cruelty free? Oh, absolutely not. You know, it did come from the motherfucking earth. So, and instead of, you know, a lab. So that's better, you know. Let's see. This could be us, but we're not siblings. Oh my god, I wish this were true. Oh my god, I wish this were true. On weekends, I'm trying to survive with $3 to buy bread. Fuck that shit, man. You should just learn how to make bread. Like, fuck that. Like, there's so many good, like, bread designs. I mean, if you have, like, the time to do it, I understand making bread is not... And making good bread is fucking... It takes time. It does. I understand. But, like, even... There's, like, shitty breads you can do that, like, don't take much time. You just rely on the yeast to do the work, right? So, like, you just, like, put the yeast in there, you know, you get the right consistency, so it's like a shaggy ass, you know, ropey dope, you know, dough or something like that. And then you just leave it in there for a while at a nice balmy 90 degrees or something like that. Set it on your like 3D printer or something like that to keep it nice and warm, or a very high and warm place. It just rises a bit, you know. Yeah, and then you can just put a little water on top of it just so it doesn't dry out on the top, right? And you can just like, you can just bake that shit as is, you know. It's very easy. I mean, it's not like, it's a very good utility bread. Tastes just as good as the sandwich kind, honestly, you know. Or you can just make methamphetamines. You know. Fuck, man. Make meth. I'm gonna make some meth. Jesse, it's time. It's time to make the meth. Yeah, making meth is fun. Wait, have you been on, oh my god. I think you were here on one of my streams where we were watching how to make meth. Oh god. I know SQL. I know SQL. I am a surgeon. Hell yeah. Let's see. Why is HTMX controversial? Because it goes against literally everything the mainstream industry does, and anything the mainstream industry does is gospel, of course, because money and jobs and, you know, who am I to say no to a rich person when they want to use something called React, even though it's fucking retarded? You know? Oh my gosh. Oh I gotta do this. I gotta do this. Oh my god, I gotta start rigging better. Like, there's so many good rigging techniques nowadays, and they're all live 2D shit. And like, I'm not as flexible as this little lolly over here. But yeah, that's another thing I wanted to do. Like, take a hiatus and actually like improve my model and my artwork, and like actually have shading and whatnot, and try to like do something different. You know, like this model's fine for like most things, but like it feels a bit dated. You know, Romans and Greeks invented the first femboys. Did wait what? Wait what? Really? Really? Hold on, hold on. We're the first feminists. Fucking hell. History of cross. History of cross-dressing. Let's see. Patriarchy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, really? Really? Wow, I can already tell where this is garden go from and who wrote this fucking article. Oh my fucking god. Oh, Jesus. Is a social system in which men hold primary power over women, their families, in regards to tradition, law, division of labor, and education women can take part in, blah, 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 blah. Some people still think the patriarchy exists, I guess. I don't know. Maybe it does, because, I don't know. It's so hard to get things equal, but, like, I don't know. Like, even in, like, the 1800s, before women's suffrage, there was, like, women just, like, fucking owning that shit, you know? They're just, like, fucking conniving and just, like, making ass loads of money and shit. And I don't know, some people would say it's in spite of feminism. I think it's just because they lived in America and it was a free motherfucking market before income tax was a thing, you know? And like, it was back before income tax was a thing, you know? You were in the Wild West, you were just fucking guys, and you know, to make money and shit, you know, because you could, and then you could like start churches with that. You could invest and make all sorts of things. Like the whole history of the Wild West was like literally the best time to be an entrepreneur. Holy shit. You know, one Roman emperor, I don't remember this name, cut off a dude's balls and made him his wife. What? Nero, it has to be Nero. Let's see. Nero. It has to be Nero. Oh my god. Let's see. Cut off balls. Let's try. What's eunuch? Let's see. Okay, fine. I'm gonna search. Let's see. First emperor, right? Roman emperor that castrated male? Sporus. Sporus was a young slave boy whom by the Roman emperor it was motherfucking Nero had castrated and married as his empress during the tour of Greece in 66-67 CE. Common Era. Allegedly in order for him to play the role of his wife, Poppaea Sabina, who had died the previous year. God, wow. Nero was a fucking... Wow. This motherfucker. Fucking degenerate. Holy god. These femboys, man. So, oh my god. Wow. Damn, honestly, I'm more of a Diogenes type person. Of course he's a ginger. Is he though? I wonder how many are Romans gingers? Are Romans gingers? I gotta know. Genetic ethics of history of red hair. Wow, Scotland, of course, redheads. 40% of mutation. Greeks and Romans describe the Celts as redheads. Romans of the Germanic people. Blah 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 blah. Hard to say when it started. Let's see. Oh my gosh. You know, I'm starting to get a little tired. It's 6 a.m. I should go the fuck to bed. I have like a meeting at 4 p.m. to like discuss work shit, you know. It's been fun though, you know, this last few minutes or 30 minutes, you know, we've been hanging out. Let's watch a video before we go. How about that? Let's see what's on my YouTube. Oh yeah, fuck Ben Awad. I hate him so much. I fucking hate Awad so much. Let's see here. Let's see what's in the fucking... We just don't care. Let's see. So I accidentally became a furry. Oh, really? How'd you accidentally become a furry? Ooh, that sounds interesting. I accidentally became a femboy.
I can explain. Howdy, hey, I'm Ray. It's no secret that I've been getting back into sketchbooking lately and that I've been very happy with how much it's improved my relationship with art. I've gotten so much faster, my lines are more confident, my output is cracked. I'll go from not
I'm a
drawing for
virgin
a couple of
forever,
days to...
thanks to my ex finally leaving. I'm free. Oh wow, was it that bad, huh? Your ex? Was your ex that bad? Jesus Christ.
Filling 12 pages in a sitting. Been riding a creative high for months now, and all of
Wow.
this energy plus some good old-fashioned ADHD has led me down a couple creative rabbit holes. And I thought I would share one of the funnier ones
Hell
that I've
yeah.
traversed recently. For context, I showed this particular sketchbook in my Lusamine animatic redo video, and
That
at the
is...
time I was only this far in.
Wow.
The binding didn't need all this duct tape. And then
she sounds like she's on coke.
From this page to this page, I filled all this in 2 weeks. It's
damn.
When Skynix invited me to a collab. He got a little group together and we all submitted one aspect of a character until he turned it into a unified prompt, and then we all had to design a character that fit that same description.
This character is a rhinoceros who uses a bow and arrow and spends their free time
Okay.
feeding rodents. They have a stand as a power.
I've never drawn a rhinoceros before. I just want to draw people on bicycles, to be honest.
JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, and they are currently located somewhere in a back alley.
Alright, was not feeling super confident that I could pull all that off. I'll be real.
Same.
Bitching in the work chat. A rhino? Are you kidding me? Are you
yeah.
Do you want me dead? What do you mean?
I mean, honestly, true. Yeah. My ex could totally fuck my life up at any moment, and I know this. So that's kind of why my life is also fucked, and I've just become a NEET after that. It's like, it's tough, honestly. You know, it's like you date someone, you love them, you give them all your love, and then they just kind of take advantage of it. It's a vulnerability, you know? And like women know this, they know you don't get as much attention as they do, especially the beautiful ones, and they just look at you as like a tool to be used, and it sucks, you know? And they're really convincing about it too. Yeah, and then they tell you they love you. It's like BPD and like ADHD is like a match made in hell, but it happens so fucking often, you know? Like it's so often. In fact, I don't know, I miss it so much that I considered making a dating website to match BPD women with ADHD people. Which is fucking gnarly and stupid, and honestly I think it would actually get a lot of matches, to be honest, because it is so specific, and I think it would actually happen a lot easier that way. But like I would not want to like make money off of it. I don't know, I'd feel bad if I made money off of it, to be honest, because like I would be incentivizing toxic relationships. But at the same time, however, it's like I am kind of convinced by this one psychology dude that sometimes some women with BPD grow out of it, but and the majority of them will grow out of it within 10 years. So like by the time they're like 30 or something like that, you know. Essentially, you know, by the time they're done hoeing around, you know. BPD and XD conceited with low self-esteem. Oh shit, yeah. Oh boy, yeah, and then when you leave them, they'll like want you to come back, and then you'll leave, and they'll be like, "Oh God, I'm sorry," and then you'll want to come back and whatnot, and then it'll just keep happening, you know, and it's such bullshit, you know. It's like, let's just hope you didn't have like a kid with them or something like that. That would suck, you know. And if you have to deal with that, I'm really sorry. The government's not nice to us. They never will be, you know. And given the current state of the economy, it's like, you know, why even try at this point? It's like, and you know, people don't think logically when they're in love either, you know, and women especially don't think logically in love. I've begun to realize this like hardcore. So it's like you gotta watch out for yourself, you know. And it's like, you know, and like I wish I learned, you know, sooner, you know. I think I'm very fortunate, to be honest. Never date a bright haired dyed girl. I say to myself, yeah, Yeah, generally a good idea. Hard to say no though. I don't know. I try to like feel them out nowadays. What I try to do now is try to be friends with them, you know, unironically, because it's like and this is probably the reason why I'm like, I don't know. I wouldn't say aromantic. That's so stupid. That's so fucking stupid. Some people call me demisexual or something. Like I have to get to know someone before something happens, but that's just like normal, isn't it? I'm not this hypersexual person, you know. I mean, I have my moments. Everyone has their fucking moments where they're just like, you know. But like, it's not like, you know, fuck. But yeah, yeah, it's I don't know. I feel like if you're gonna date someone with the BPD, just be fucking prepared to go through ups and downs, and just know your life's gonna be hell for like 5 years, maybe more. And if you can hold on to that and survive and not go insane, good for you, man. Hopefully you have someone that's like just like recognizes that they have BPD and is trying to get through it. In fact, maybe even like if someone recognizes they have BPD and they're trying to work through it and you can like help them work through it, you know. And like the key thing that this psychology does, it's like what's that one guy, that one psychologist dude, what's his name? BPD, like the psychologist gamer, the gamer psychologist or something like that. Gamer psychologist. Yeah. What's his name, right? Date your homie. Yeah, this guy right here. This guy right here. He's like, he says on average they get over it in 10 years, right? And then if you find someone that's on the back half, you know, then it's really lucky because then in like 5 years, there's a very high statistical chance that they'll get over it, you know, either from experience or by, you know, just figuring out what they're doing wrong, you know. They eventually grow out of it, which is great, you know. So if you could deal with like a crazy bitch for 5 years and then maybe have like several episodes that happen where she gets like super angry at you or like super duper happy with you and just like, you know, loses like have manic episodes, and the key thing is to be stoic, like unironically just be stoic, you know. It works better. She'll hate you for it, but you know, they also appreciate it. Like I remember one time, I think she told me it was very scary when I didn't react to her screaming to me. But the problem is, I'm used to dealing with that. My mother is and has probably still dealing. She had BPD, but now she doesn't have it anymore, I don't think. That or I don't spend enough time with her, you know. It's pretty obvious my mom had BPD and that my dad also had like ADHD, you know. So yeah. Shut the fuck up, Disselbot. I did not ask for this. Fuck off. You know? Anyway. I am just yapping to yap at this point. Ooh, fucking tired. All right. I think that's enough for now. I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna call it here for now. Thank you, Cynical Vinny, for coming. Appreciate it. It's been fun, you know, just talking with you, you know, and just kind of just sharing a little bit of our experiences, you know, and about that. Let's see. Did I miss any of your messages just in case? Yeah, not quite. Awesome, awesome. All right, I'll say ja matinee. I will see you. I'm going to be doing some game streams on the weekend, so look for me on Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Hopefully, I won't be late. Yeah, if your girl breaks your heart, date your homies, right? Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. And on Sunday, I'll be also playing I think yeah, Sonic on Saturday, and then what else? Wait, I have it right here. What am I saying? Hold on. Oh, let me show you. Oh, meow. God damn it. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. I love it when you call me Pookie. Oh my god, thank you. Oh my god. I love thank you. All right, all right, all right. Fuck. Okay. Okay. Deserved it. Profile. Okay, schedule. And we're looking at yeah, Sonic 3 on Saturday and Undertale Yellow on Sunday, 11:59. Don't forget the sudo app update and sudo app upgrade. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy. I don't wanna do it alone. I'll do it on my own time. Besides, in fact, I actually do it more often than, like, fuck, man. At work, we need to update our CentOS server. Oh my god. Fine. Do you want me to do sudo apt update? Fine. Fuck. Okay. Wait, where is it? Where's my terminal? There it is. Okay. Okay, hold on. Sudo apt update. There we go. There we go. Here's the hacker terminal. Sudo apt update. And I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna raid anyone today. I don't think so. I think we're just gonna end it right here. You know. So yeah. There's my sudo apt update. You can see all the packages I have. Got like fucking PHP, Kdenlive, you know, fucking I don't know. Fuck what else? Okay, and we'll go ahead. This is actually how I upgrade my stuff on terminal. So we'll say apt list upgradable. All right. So we're looking at got quite a few things we could update. We have Sprogs, Element Desktop, which I don't use that often except for work. Python, Mongo. Okay, that's Opera stable. Hell yeah. Okay. And Steam. All right. So we'll say sudo apt. So I actually like to look at what I'm upgrading before I do it. And then we'll say yes, confirm. And then boom, we're done. This is how you update your Linux box. Pretty easy. So yeah. Okay. If you do the command, I give it in updates and installs them immediately. Yeah, I like to read them, so you know. Oh god, I might get banned for this. I hope I don't get banned for this. Fuck me, man. This is what I would tell.
Is that all you got, nigga? Oh, no, nigga. That's just the tip of this iceberg. Read, nigga, read!
Every Linux user who tries to automate their stuff, read it! Read it, damn you! Read it! Okay. Okay, that's enough foolishness. Bye-bye, guys. I'm gonna go to bed now.